I live by a real nice lake. Didn't swim in it once. I didn't kayak in it. I don't even know if you could kayak or do any of that earlier. I see people out on it right now kayaking. Damn it, the weather's gonna... My chick and her friend went out there on the kayak. Lucky little boys. Okay, let's get up to cruising speed. Little girl dog ain't too slow today. I did give her water when we stopped. We shared a little sip of some water I brought. Oh man, snows a coming. Snow is a coming. What's up, little scrounge? Hey, you all good? We'll get more water at the bottom. Come on, I got your bowl. Come on, come on, come on, you scrounge. Looks like people are jumping that. I guess you could. Just got to be careful you don't overshoot and land in this shit over here. Where's those girls? Is she coming? I mean, it looks like someone jumped that rock right there, but it's like, dude, you're jumping into a bunch of rocks. I don't know. I see little gulls. We'll wait here for a second. These trees are pretty. Up in the sunlight. This big old growth. This is, what are these? Pines? Sugar pines? Doug firs. They look like they've just been beat to shit. See a mountain biker coming up. Little gulls, you okay? Come on. I'm a dumbass. You play stupid games, you get stupid prizes. That's right. Come on, little gulls. Come on, watch out. Hi. Come on, little gull dog, come on. Come on. You'll get some water in a minute. More water. I wonder if that chick saw me do stupid shit on that rock I tried to stall it and then come off. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Let's see what we got here. We'll slow her down there. Holy cow. Another fast little section. I wonder what my speeds are getting at. I keep stopping, so 32.5 is like about cruising really fast speed for me. You can see the treachery. I don't think I videoed, or you know what? I might have videoed coming up this way. But coming down's a whole different ball game. There's little gulls. There's little gulls. I'm just gonna let this play because this is more of a fun day than an exercise ride. Because there's gonna be snow here in 4 days. This will be gone. This will all be gone. Whoa, what was me? All right, we gotta wait for little girls. There's some trees in here changing colors. Some trees in here changing colors. The trail I just came down. The sun in the sky. Yeah. It's a good little spot right here. Let's see. Uh-oh, someone's calling. All right, I'll be right back.